Jai Hind everybody. I am again here with the new chapter, the areas of parallelograms and triangles. And this is exercise 9.1 and question is this कि which of the following figure lie on the same base and between the same parallels. कि इन फिगर में से ये जो आपको फिगर्स गिवन है फ्रॉम फर्स्ट टू सेकेंड, विच ऑफ दीज फिगर्स लाई ऑन द सेम बेस, इनमें से कौन से फिगर सेम बेस पे हैं एंड बिटवीन द सेम पैरेलल्स और सेम पैरेलल्स के बीच में है. सेम पैरेलल्स मीन्स पैरेलल लाइंस. इन सच ए केस राइट द कॉमन बेस एंड द टू पैरेलल्स. ऐसे केसेस में आप कॉमन बेस को लिखिए और उन दो पैरेलल लाइंस को भी लिखिए. इज इट ओके? तो जस्ट सी द फिगर नंबर 1. जस्ट लुक हियर. इन दिस फिगर this A B C D and P D C, they are on the same base. Which one? DC. And what are the two parallels? They are DC and AB. In the figure number first, the trapezium ABCD. Is it there? The trapezium ABCD and the triangle PDC. They are having the common base DC and the two parallels are DC and AB. Now just look in figure number second. Just look here. This PQRS. This is a parallelogram, and this MNRS, which is looking a trapezium. They are on the same base. They are having the same base SR, but they do not lie between the same parallels. So what is the answer of this? They are having the same base SR but not between same parallels. Is it there? Now just look at part third. Here, just look. This parallelogram PQRS, is it there? And the triangle TQR, they are on the same base. This QR and this QR is parallel to SP. So parallelograms PQRS and triangle TQR, they have the common base what? QR, and the two parallels are QR and PS. Just look at figure number 4. This triangle PQR, just look here, PQR and this parallelogram ABCD, they are having the same base? No. So I have written here the same base is none, and they are between the same parallels. Yes, they are between same parallels. Which one? BC and AD. They are same. BC and AD, same parallels. BC and AD. Is it there? They are between the same parallels, but they don't have the same base. Now just look at part number 5th. Just look here. This parallelogram, or you can say this trapezium. Which one? A, B, Q, D. This seems to be a trapezium. A, B, Q, D, and this one A, B, C, D. They are between. Just look at their bases. Their base is AD. They are having the base AD, and they are between the same parallels. AD parallel BQ. So what is the same base of this trapeziums AD, QB and parallelograms ABCD? The same base is AD and the two parallels are AD and this one BQ. You can write BQ. Is it there? Now part number 6. Just look at this figure. The parallelograms PQRS. First AQRD and BQRC. Is it there? Again APSD and BPSC. They are between the same parallels, but they don't have the common base. Is it okay? Now just look at this theorem. The parallelograms on the same base and between the same parallels are equal in area. क्या स्टेटमेंट है इस थ्योरम का कि जो पैरेललोग्राम्स हैं अगर वो सेम बेस पर हों और वो सेम पैरेलल के बीच में हो तो उनका एरिया इक्वल होता है. पैरेललोग्राम्स on the same base and between the same parallels are equal in area. So now just look here. Suppose this is the parallel lines L and L and M. Let these are the two parallel lines L and M, and this is the first parallelogram. A, B, C, D. This is the given parallelogram A, B, C, D, and the another one is this. This A, B. This is the common base. A, B, C, D, and this is the red one. A, B, R, S. These are the two parallelograms. The question, what we have to prove in this question? क्या प्रूफ करना है कि ये जो आपका ए बी सी डी पैरेललोग्राम और ए बी आर एस पैरेललोग्राम जो कि एक ही बेस पे हैं, किस पे? ए बी पे, और एक ही पैरेलल के बीच में है लाइन एरर लाइन एम. तो हमें ये प्रूफ करना है कि एरिया ऑफ ए बी सी डी इज इक्वल टू एरिया ऑफ ए बी आर एस. इज इट ओके? तो जस्ट सी हियर what you are given. Given है two parallelograms. Which are these two parallelograms? A, B, C, D and ABRS. Two parallelograms ABCD and ABRS having common base. Which one? What is the common base? AB. And they lie between same parallels. They lie between same parallels. Which one? Line L and line M. Is it there? So what we have to prove? We have to prove the area of parallelogram ABCD is equal to area of parallelogram which one? AB RS. AB RS. This is AB RS. This radius one. Just look here. Now just look the construction work. This DP is perpendicular to line M and this SQ is also perpendicular to line M. Is it there? Draw this radius one. DP perpendicular to line M and this one also SQ perpendicular to also line M. What it will say? It will say that DP is also perpendicular to AB and SQ is also perpendicular to AB because AB is the part of line M. Line M. Now just look at the proof. Look at the proof. Tell. Since area of parallelogram is base into corresponding height. What is the area of parallelogram? Base into corresponding height. Now just look here. First, the area of ABCD. This will be equal to, what is the base? AB. AB and what is the corresponding height? This one, D and P. This is equation number 1. Again look, area of ABRS. Area of ABRS. What is the common base for that? AB. And what is the height? SQ. This is equation number 2. Is it okay? What is the area of ABCD? This base AB into DP and this ABRS, AB into SQ. Now tell me, what is the property of a parallel line? Since the perpendicular distance between two, since the perpendicular distance between two parallel lines is equal everywhere. Therefore, what will happen? Is it not DP the perpendicular distance and SQ is again the perpendicular distance? Yani DP and SQ are the perpendicular distances between the parallel lines L and M. Therefore, these two will be equal. These two will be equal because the perpendicular distance between the two parallel lines are equal everywhere. The perpendicular distance between the two parallel lines are equal everywhere. Now just look here, from first, second and third. From first, second and third. Just look here. Can we replace this dp by sq? All these things are there. Area of ABCD is equal to area of ABRS. Is it okay? Since dp and sq are equal, AB into dp is equal to what? AB into sq. So therefore, from equations first, second and third, area of ABCD is equal to area of ABRS. Now just look at the next theorem. This is theorem number 2. If a parallelogram and a triangle lie on the same base, if a parallelogram and a triangle are on the same base, and they lie between the same parallels. Then the area of triangle is equal to the half of the area of parallelogram, is equal to half of the area of parallelogram. Is it okay? Now this is the theorem number 2. If a parallelogram and a triangle are on the same base and they lie between the same parallels, then the area of triangle is equal to the 1/2 into area of the parallelogram. यानी अगर कोई पैरेललोग्राम और ट्राइंगल एक ही बेस पर हैं और दोनों सेम पैरेलल के बीच में हैं, सेम पैरेलल लाइन के बीच में हैं, तो जो एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल होगा वो पैरेललोग्राम का हाफ होगा. तो नाउ जस्ट लुक एट दीज फिगर्स. Suppose these are the two parallel lines. This is a parallelogram ABCD. This is given, and this is the triangle. APB given है a parallelogram ABCD and triangle APB. So what we have to prove? The area of APB is 1/2 area of ABCD. So now just look here. What you have to prove? area of triangle APB is equal to area of parallelogram ABCD. Is it there? Now just look at the construction. Again by this red. This one, DM and PN are perpendicular to AB. This we have constructed. What we have constructed? Draw DM perpendicular to AB and PN is also perpendicular to AB. Is it there? Now just look at the proof. Area of triangle APB. So what is the formula for area of triangle? Half base into height. Half 1/2. What is the base? AB into PN. This is equation number 1. Area of parallelogram ABCD. Base into height. Base into height. Base into corresponding height. What is the base? AB. Into what is the height of this one? DM. This is equation number 2. Again, the perpendicular distance between the two parallel lines are equal. So therefore, what will happen? This DM will be equal to PN. DM will be equal to PN. But DM will be equal to PN. Let this is X. Say. So therefore, from first, second and third, what is the area of triangle? Half into AB into this one. And what is the area of parallelogram? AB into DM. PN and DM are equal, so this will become half AB into this. So what it will here? Area of triangle APB is equal to what? Half of area ABCD. Half of area ABCD. तो इन दिस वे वी कैन प्रूव दिस कि अगर एक ट्राइंगल और एक पैरेललोग्राम उनका बेस सेम है और वो दोनों जो हैं सेम पैरेलल लाइन के बीच में हैं, तो जो ट्राइंगल का एरिया होता है वो पैरेललोग्राम के एरिया का आधा होता है. तो दैट्स ऑल फॉर टुडे. थैंक यू वेरी मच.